Jews moved from Central Europe to America in 1815. There were some push factors such as the economy in Europe worsened and became restrictive to employment of jobs, and there were some loss of jobs too. There were government restrictions to marriage and domicile, and there were discriminatory new laws such as religious views and restricting the rights on Jewish religions. There were some pull factors such as there were many freedom in the U.S., there were better work opportunities, better economy, and many left Europe because of the bad harvest and the food prices gone up. America was a democratic nation to the Jews, and it was a land of opportunity.